Raspberry and apple. You have to replenish, don't you? Now, if you saw the last video, which I think was about 8 minutes long, I kind of suggested I ought to do a longer one, so I am. Just down from Lyminge is the little village of Newington. Not Newington, Newenden. Is it Newenden? It's somewhere around here. Newingreen. I knew it had Newing in it. Newingreen. So we're going to go from Newingreen to Dover, which means jumping on the M20 at junction, I think I'll say 11A. It's where the services is. So we'll jump on the motorway, we'll go through Round Hill tunnels and then into Dover, Old Dovorium. So we're coming onto the main A20, quite a fast road, Sellinge that way, and Newingreen, Newingreen. Get in before the big truck comes. Thank you, trucker. That was a TR in the front of that word. Slow, a busy entrance. I don't think that's an official sign by the Highways Agency. The Royal Oak, Newingreen. One of those handy little motels for, you know, discreet relationship hookups. I was a cab driver once, you know. I know these things. A room for the night for Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Uh-huh. Mm-hmm. No, honest, that is my name. It's like Crossroads Motel, isn't it? Right, I failed to let you know what the speed limit is here. I have a funny feeling it's national speed limit. I would have put it on the screen. So I think this is a long video, but actually we might be in Dover in 15 minutes because it's a fast road, right? So unless there's any obstructions or anything like that, we'll just go sailing through. I was looking at my stats for this channel and I think 70%-ish of people who view my channel are not actually subscribed. And I know that viewing counts are the things that make the channel, you know, continually grow, but so does subscribing. So the more subscribers you get, you hit those milestones. My Tudor Travels tipped over to 1,000 subscribers this week. And I think that's because I did that 3 times reboot, if you follow me on that other channel, where I do my little travel vlogs, visit historical places, that kind of thing. So I think for the driving, I know it's a niche genre. The old driving doesn't appeal to everybody. But, you know, even if you just watch it for the scenery, you want to see what the world looks like this part of the country, or what it looks like from the angle of a driver, whether you're a passenger of a car or a driver of a car. Then, yeah, hopefully you'll find it interesting and you'll say to yourself, I better subscribe to Tudor's driving channel. Let me encourage you, it will be appreciated. Right, onto the motorway, indicating to come on, join the traffic. Volkswagen Caddy not indicating. Indicating to change lane though, that's appropriate. I shall knock the cruise control on and we'll just coast along at 64 miles an hour. That's more than adequate, isn't it? Mostly because I'm not in a hurry, but also, you know, why fret over things? Changing lanes. Get past the trucker. Let's bump that speed up a bit. 68, just a touch under the 70. Gets us past the truck. So yeah, nice little motorway drive. And then we'll come off and do the A20. It just becomes the A20 basically. Channel Tunnel, that would be a great video to do, just driving through. Unfortunately, it's a costly trip just for a driving channel. How to drive onto the Channel Tunnel and come off again. Car coming up to my right, indicate now. Now, as we know, you've seen this tons of times on my videos, left-hand lane turns off to Cheriton, so technically lane 2 and 3 go straight on, which is why you stay in the lane 2, but it hasn't divided yet, so I've moved back in. I will move out when we get to the blue sign, because the blue sign tells us if you're going straight on to Dover, you need this lane. There we go, easy as that. I did my 3 times reboot for my Tudor Travels, and it got me a lot of views and lots of new subscribers. And I'm wondering, is that the key? Knock out 3 videos at the same time on the same day and just let the channel absorb all those new views. Because I've tried all sorts of things on this channel. I've tried, a daily release. I've tried every 3 days. At the moment, I'm working it every 6 days I release a video. Mostly because I haven't been out doing any. So I need those that are in the queue to be spaced out. This is my 3rd video I'm recording today. But I won't release them all at the same time. I will still stagger them. It's trying to play that YouTube algorithm game. Right, the motorway is now 2-lane. It does end after the next junction. But, I won't sit in that lane until I actually pass the truck. I know there's a lot of weaving going on, but I just kind of want to play the game. If I was close enough to it as I came through, I wouldn't have moved back in. But you can see the other truck ahead is too far away for me to stay in the outside lane. So I'll go back in and then wait till it's appropriate to overtake. My ears are popped. I don't know why. End of motorway restrictions. No stopping any time for 7 miles. National speed limit applies. Currently doing 70. So I'm going to indicate. I see the Volkswagen ahead is slower than the truck. Truck will want to overtake. But I'm just getting past it at the right speed. Drop my speed down a little, 65 through the tunnel, just in case someone pulls out and I have enough time to react. Right, I want to pass the car transporter, so I'm not going to pull in. I'm close enough that it makes the difference to stay in this lane. Mazda's pulled in. I shall pull in. He's got his roof down, waiting for the last remnants of summer. Alas, it's 14 degrees out there, so I bet the chap's cold. Right, I'm going to get back to 70. We are permitted to do 70. and there's no speed restrictions at the moment, so it's good to go. Welcome to Dover. Does Dover stretch this far along? I know Capel le Fern is just over there. Not sure this is Dover, you know. Might come under Dover District Council though. What a strange bodywork that Range Rover's got. It's all kind of buff, isn't it? Will the AA pull out? Stay where you are. This is nice. Nice smooth run down to Dover. No trucks that we can, you know, congested trucks. Freight traffic. I want another trip to France. I went with my boy last time in the videos that I did, but I think I might go by myself next time. Did a little tour of the ship as a vlog, did some driving, visited the blockhouse. I think Calais and Boulogne would be good venues. Maybe Ostend, because that's only like 30-minute drive from Calais. And then we're in Belgium. 3 countries in one day. That would be fab. I'll get my thinking cap on, see what we can do. Brake lights on the truck. Well, that's astonished me. M20 was clearish. A20 totally clear, isn't it? 1 or 2 cars I've passed. Well, exaggeration, but not many. So where it says queue's likely, today I'm thinking not likely at all. Footpath crossing for half a mile. Wouldn't do to yawn while you're driving. They say yawns are infectious. Did you just yawn watching this? Little ferry out on the channel. Winds for 1 mile. Queue's still likely. Average speed check, but it's not because we don't have Operation Brock in place. What a pleasant run, 13 minutes on the clock, or is it 14? Bearing in mind that I was talking at the beginning as well. We won't do it in 15 minutes, but we'll certainly do it in 20. I feel this car has got it in it to take me to Scotland. I'm off to, where am I going? Cornwall. My son is graduating. He's 38, but he's been doing a course in, I think, mental health counselling and all of that kind of stuff. So he's finally found his vocation and he's graduating from his initial course. He's now at uni doing his degree. So I'm going to Cornwall in November. A couple of days, I'll get some driving done. Knock out a few more driving channel videos for Cornwall. Did a sneaky there. There was nothing around, but got me past the truck. Should have been in that lane before the lights, but I was talking, so I didn't think about it. Where shall I stop? Down the Marine Parade, do you think? That would be the best solution, won't it? Assuming the road is open. So I want to go right at the next set of lights. I can't do it until I know if the road is closed. And it is closed, so we can't do it. Shucks. Tell you what I'll do. I'm going to go right to the end where the roundabout is, double back round the roundabout, and then come in at Marine Parade on the other side. Just to make the video interesting, if nothing else. The roundabout we go. Entering a 30 zone. Sorry folks, had to go all the way around because I couldn't come in at the other end, could I? But it's all good. There's always a way. Welcome to England. Phew, just in case I didn't know where I was, eh? Makes you laugh. Right, Marine Parade. Don't even know what you call that. That's not the port, is it? It's just the harbour area. Let's stop here. That will do nicely. Newingreen to Dover. M20, A20. Lovely little run that. I enjoyed that. No more today. I'm going to go home and edit the last 3 videos I've clocked up on the cameras there. But do join me in the next video. I don't know where it will be or when it will be. Well, I know it doesn't matter on the channel when it will be. I've technically got 3 weeks worth of videos now in the queue. So it'll be next month by the time I see you again. But actually, it'll be the next video. So, oh my God, I'm waffling now. I think I need a drink. As I started, raspberry and apple. See you in the next video. Bye for now. Try what you care.